We are one of the largest body shops in Connecticut. We have all the state-of-the-art equipment. We have all the training that goes along with that to make everyone smarter and better. My name is Jim Cronick, Manager, Executive Auto Body here in Wallingford, Connecticut. Executive Auto Group is a very large company and we're looking to grow even bigger. Currently, we're looking to hire additional technicians, apprentice technicians, anyone who wants to get into the car business and make a career out of this. One of my processes for new hires is I team you up with one of our experienced technicians. So you'll be constantly feeding off of their knowledge as well as online book training. We're also looking to hire in the office if you're a receptionist or if you're a service advisor and you want to come over to the auto body side of it. There's great advancement growth there as well. Make a decision, an executive decision, and come join our group.